Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 decimal fractions in that exercise 10a. So let's discuss homework answers first. 12th question. Round off each of the following to the nearest ones. In that E 642.3 you will get 642.0. Then F 304.5 it is 305.0. Okay, next 13th question, round off each of the following to the nearest tens. So E 940.08, on rounding off you will get 940.10, that is 940.1. Okay, F 505.55, the answer is 500.60 or 500.6. 505.6. Next 14th, round off each of the following to the nearest hundredth. So E 388.008, the answer is 388.010, which is equal to 388.01. Okay, F 136.165, the answer will be 136.170 or 136.17. So A 9.382. First you have to round off to nearest 100. So if you need to round off to nearest 100, you need to see the digit at the 1000th place. Okay, here 1000th place it is 2. Okay, now if the digit at 1000th place is less than 5, what to do? Replace 1000th place digit by 0 and the 100th place digit will remain the same. No change will be there. So you will get 9.38. 9.380 means 9.38. Next 9.38 you need to round off to nearest 100. So if you need to round off to nearest 100, see the digit at 10th place. Okay. So A 9.382. First you have to round off to nearest 100. So if you need to round off to nearest 100, you need to see the digit at the 1000th place. Okay, here 1000th place it is 2. Okay, now if the digit at 1000th place is less than 5, what to do? Replace 1000th place digit by 0 and the 100th place digit will remain the same. No change will be there. So you will get 9.38. 9.380 means 9.38. Now this 9.38 you need to round off to nearest 10th. Okay, so if you want to round off to nearest 10th, see the digit at 100th place. Here 100th place digit it is 8 here. Okay, which is greater than 5. So if the digit at 100th place is greater than 5, what to do? Replace 100th place digit by 0, then add 1 to 10th place digit. Okay, so 3 will become 3 plus 1, 4 and 8 will be 8. In place of 8, 0 will come. So 9.4. 9.40, no need to write 0 there. 9.4 itself you can write. Okay. Both values 9.40 and 9.4 are same. That's why. Now this 9.4 you need to round off to nearest whole number. That means nearest whole number means to the nearest ones it is. Okay. So 9.4. Here if you need to round off to nearest ones, see the digit at a 10th place. Here it is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So what to do? The ones place digit will remain the same and this 10th place digit, replace it by 0. Okay, so here 9 itself you can write 9.0. 9.0 means it is 9 only. Okay, so the answer is 9. Next B, 51.175. First round off this to nearest 100. So see the digit at a thousands place. Here it is 5. So if the digit at a thousands place is 5 or greater than 5 means add 1 to 100th place digit and replace 1000th place digit by 0. Okay. 100th place ഡിജിറ്റിനോടൊപ്പം 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. 1000th place digit 0 ആയിട്ട് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യും വേണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ 51.1 here we need to add 1. So 7 plus 1 it is 8. 5 replace 1000th place digit by 0. So no need to put 0. You can just write a 51.18 itself. Okay. Now 51.18 you need to round off to nearest 10th. Okay, so see the digit at 100th place. Here it is 8 which is greater than 5. So if the 100th place digit is greater than 5, add 1 to 10th place digit and replace 100th place digit by 0. Okay, so 100th place digit 0 ആയിട്ട് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യും. 10th place ഡിജിറ്റിനോടൊപ്പം 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. സോ 51.1 plus 1 it is 2. 20. That means 51.2. Okay. Now this 51.2 you need to round off to nearest ones or nearest whole number. So here you see the digit at 10th place. 2 is coming and 2 is less than 5, so no need to change the ones place digit. Okay, so 51 point replace 10th place digit by 0. So 51.0, that means 51. So this is the answer. Okay, next A, 616.069. First round off this to nearest 100. So see the digit at thousands place, 9 is coming. So what to do? 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 to 100th place digit and replace 1000th place digit by 0. So you will get 616.0. 6 plus 1 it is 7. 9 is replaced by 0. But you can write 616.07. Okay, now the 616.07 you need to round off to nearest 10th. So see the digit at 100th place, 7 is coming. So what to do? If the digit at 100th place is greater than 5, add 1 to 10th place digit and replace 100th place digit by 0. Okay, so 0 plus 1 you will get 1 and 7. In place of 7 you can write a 0. So you will get 616.0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now 616.1 you need to round off to the nearest whole number, that is to the nearest ones. Okay, so see the digit at a 10th place digit, 1 is coming. 1 is less than 5. So what to do? The ones place digit, no need to change that. Replace 10th place digit by 0. Okay, so you will get 616.0, that is 616. So this is the answer. Next 16th one, round off the following as instructed. A to the nearest meter. So some numbers are given here. You need to round off this to nearest meter. Okay, so first 4.56 meter. In order to round off this to nearest meter, see the digit at 10th place. Okay, 10th place digit you need to consider. If it is 5 or more than 5, what to do? Add 1 to 1's place digit. Okay, that will be the answer. the remaining places digit you can put a 0. That is, tens place digit will be replaced by 0. Here hundreds place digit also will become 0 only. Okay, after decimal you can put all places 0, and ones place digit. Before decimal place, ones place digit, you add 1 to that digit if it is greater than or equal to 5. Tens place digit, if tens place digit is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to ones place digit, and the remaining places you replace it by 0. Okay, so 4.56 meter, here tens place digit is 5. So add 1 to ones place digit. Add 1 to 4. So what you will get, 4 plus 1, it is 5. So the answer is 5.00. That means 5 meter. Okay, next 19.67 meter. So see the digit at a tens place digit. 6 is coming. It is greater than 5. So what to do? Add 1 to ones place digit. So 9 plus 1, 10 will come. So replace ones place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. Okay, 9 vara karana 9 plus 1 it is 10. 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ones place digit എഴുതാൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ones place digit replace it by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. So 1 will become 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so the answer will be 20 point. Replace these digits by 0. So 0, 0. That is 20 meter. So this is the answer. Okay, next 21.23 meter. So see the digit at a tens place digit. Here 2 is coming, which is less than 5. So no need to change ones place digit. You can write 21 itself. 21 point. Replace this digit. After decimal point you can put zeros. So the answer will be 21 meter. Okay. Next B, to the nearest liter. So in order to convert to nearest liter, also see the digit at tens place digit. Okay, if it is less than or less than 5, no need to change the ones place digit. If it is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to ones place digit. Same we are following here also. Okay, so here 4 is coming in tens place digit. So no need to change a ones place digit. Okay, 4 is less than 5. So no need to change ones place digit. You will get 3. 3 point. Replace the decimal. After decimal point you can put 0. Liter. That means 3.000 liter means 3 liter. Okay. Next 36.8 liter. So see the digit at a tens place. 8 is coming and 8 is greater than 5. So what to do? Add 1 to ones place digit. Here 6 is coming in ones place digit. So add 1 to that. You will get 6 plus 1, 7 will come here. So 37.0. That means 37 liter. So this will come as answer. Next 56.398 liter. So see the digit at a tens place. Here 3 is coming. 3 is less than 5. So no need to change ones place digit. You can write 56 point. Now replace these places digit by zeros. 0, 0, 0. That means 56 liter. Okay, so this is the answer. Next C, to the nearest kilogram. In order to round off to nearest kilogram, also see the digit at a tens place. Here 5 is coming. So if the tens place digit is 5 or greater than 5, add a 1 to ones place digit. So you need to add 1 to 4. 4 plus 1 you will get 5. 5 point. Replace after decimal place you can put 0. Okay, so 5.000 means 5 kilogram. Okay, next is 64.362 kilogram. So, see the digit at a tens place digit. Here 3 is coming and 3 is less than 5. So what to do? No need to change a ones place digit. You can write 64. Then point, replace these digits by 0. 0, 0, 0 will come. That means 64 kilogram. Okay, next 87.560 kilogram. Here tens place digit, it is 5. So if the tens place digit is 5 or greater than 5, replace ones place digit, add 1 to ones place digit. So in ones place digit 7 is coming. So on adding 1 to 7 you will get 8 here. So 88 point, replace after decimal. You can write zeros. Replace these digits by zeros. So you will get 88 kilogram. Okay. So do the remaining problems of 15 and 16 as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.